Today we are going to make a super easy toffee recipe, that is peanut toffee. For this toffee recipe, we need these ingredients. To get started with the recipe, put some sugar into your saucepan and heat it under medium heat. We need to caramelize sugar until it turns into golden brown. If you heat sugar more than this level, it will end up with a bitter taste. When you are happy with the color of your sugar caramel, you can add hot water. After that, we need to dissolve remaining sugar with this mixture. When sugar dissolves completely, add some salt as per your taste. After that, we need to heat sugar mixture until it comes to the right consistency. When sugar comes to string consistency, we can add our peanuts. Mix this thoroughly until all peanuts cool with the sugar caramel, and then immediately pour the peanut mixture onto a buttered baking sheet. Then we need to quickly spread this mixture into like half-inch thick using an oiled metal spatula. Before the mixture gets hardened, mark the lines so that you can easily cut them later. When the toffee sets completely, we can cut them into pieces and separate. If these toffees are stored in an airtight container, you can keep them even more than 2 weeks. See you soon with another delicious toffee recipe. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos.